Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone is fine. Well, I am not a good person to talk about the socio-political or even economic situation which the whole world is going on facing right now. No doubt it's stressful and it's uncertain. But one thing is clear. Whether you accept it or not, most of the countries of the world are happy from inside. One way or another, we all thought that there is just one superpower and no one can question injustice. But one country stood and raised its voice, not only voice, raised its hands and told whole world that what's unfair is unfair, and we will not be quiet, because it's been years that country suffered, faced what all sorts of sanctions, and even then it survived because it didn't rely on anyone like we are these days. All countries of the world, one way or another, we are relying on each other. But that country was surviving on its own, and that is the main reason nothing impacted it. It's still standing. No one believed it that they will stand for so many days. It's been not days, it's been weeks, and they were thinking it will be just hours job. So, you believe it or not, most of the countries are enjoying in seeing it that yes, one can have a courage to stand up for the right? Because earlier it was like might is right. No, you cannot just suppress someone just because you don't like it. It's just like that. You don't like my face, that's why you will slap on my face. And literally this is what's happening these days. Anyways, whatsoever, everyone is suffering. Most of the countries, they are suffering. But the major thing which I believe as a mother, kids are suffering. और कुछ नज़र नहीं आता तो बच्चों का स्कूल बंद कर देते हैं. We are paying heavy duty fees, right? For what? For the whole year, kids hardly go for 100 years. Hardly 100 days. 100 days a year they go school. But for 12 months we pay fee. So please, there are many other things, many other ways you can manage the deficit you're facing. Either you can say petrol or any other thing, but this is not the way. Kids are suffering a lot. पहले कोविड था, अब ये हो गया तो, और ऑनलाइन में कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं होती. इट्स मतलब स्कूल्स अपने तरीके से अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करने का एक फेक तरीका रखते हैं. देयर इज अ प्रॉपर वे ऑफ हैविंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, बट द वे this time they are having, I'm observing them, nothing is happening. It's just a lecture as if it's the university class. So dua hai sabke liye that things settle down, but in best possible way, and prayers for that one country which is standing. And unfortunately other Muslim countries are not taking its side. We should, in whichever way possible, and should appreciate what that country is doing, because it is telling it's a true Muslim country, and they are strong enough, and they will only bow in front of Allah, no other human power.